Hi students, very good morning. So in the last session we have stopped with the question, right? And this is the question: A plus 2b gives for less force it gives rise to products. When the volume of the container is doubled, rate of reaction decreases by 8 times. When concentration of A is doubled and B is halved, the rate of the reaction becomes 4 times. When concentration of C is increased 4 times alone, rate of the reaction increases 64 times. Write the rate law and the order of the reaction. So generally if you write this one with respect to rate, R will be equal to K into A power X. Okay, you don't know what is that. For B, it is B power Y, C power Z. This is the first equation. And the second equation, what he is mentioning? He is, when the volume of the container is doubled, C is mentioning with respect to volume. How we will write concentration? N by V you will be writing, no? So, when the volume is doubled, so what happens? Something, number of moles by 2, volume is doubled. You will be writing number of moles by 1, B by 2, and this one 2. This doesn't imply the concentration is halved. This is number of moles by volume. This one. Okay. Here volume is there, here volume is there. Next one. What is mentioning? When the A is doubled and B is halved. So, A is doubled and B is halved, B by 2. C is not disturbed. Alone these two things only done. Rate of the reaction has been increased 4 times. When C is increased 4 times and A and B are not disturbed, then the rate of the reaction has become 64 times. So, these are the equations 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Now, based on 1, 2, 3, 4, I hope that you have solved all this. So, if you do 1 by 2, what you will be getting? 8 is equal to 2 power x, 2 power y, 2 power z. So, what happens? This one will become 2 cube. X plus y plus z is equal to 2. This is the condition what you should, x plus y plus z is equal to 3. This is the condition what you should solve. Okay. If you do 4 by 1, 64 is equal to 4 power z and z will be equal to 3. Okay. And if you substitute 3 here, what you will be getting? This 3 goes this side, you will be getting 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So, z is equal to 3, you have got the z value, x plus y is equal to 0. Okay, from this you can calculate. And 3 by 1 is equal to 4 is equal to 2 power x minus y, and x minus y is equal to 2. So, you know the x plus y value is equal to 0, x minus y value is equal to 2. So, x plus y is equal to 0, x minus y is equal to 2. So, 2x will be equal to 2 and x is equal to 1, then y you will be getting minus 1. So, you know that z is 3, x is 1, y is minus 1. So, ROR will be equal to k into a power 1, b power minus 1, c power 3. Order will be equal to 1 plus minus 1 plus 3. So, on whole, the overall order of the reaction is 3. Okay, students, I hope that you have done this. Okay, some important points what you will be learning about the order of the reaction. Stoichiometric coefficients are having nothing to do with the order. So, in this reaction, if you see stoichiometric coefficient, it is 2. But if you see the rate of the reaction, what is the order? It is 1. So, because it is calculated experimentally, you have nothing to do with this thing. Okay, sometimes it may be equal. But this rate of the reaction is calculated only experimentally. Right. Second one. In rate law, concentration terms of the products can be present. Suppose if you take the reaction RO3, ozone is forming oxygen. So generally what we will be writing? ROR will be concentration of O3 whole power X. Something we will be writing like that. There is a condition where you can get product. These things we will be learning at the end of the chapter. Okay, there you will be getting O2 whole power minus 1. Means in the rate of the reaction, not only the reactant, product may also be present. Clear? In writing the rate of the reaction, not only the concentration of the reactant, there may be the concentration of the product also. Okay. And next condition is, in rate law, in writing the rate expression, concentration of the sum of the reactants may be present. See, in the previous condition, concentration of the reactant, first condition, concentration of the reactant is present. Nothing to do with the stoichiometric coefficient. In the second, what we have found, there may be concentration of the product along with the concentration of the reactant. In some reactant or some rate law equation, there may be absence of concentration of the reactant. So, if you see this equation, so generally it is NO2 plus CO, it is forming NO plus CO2. So, rate of the reaction is depending upon the NO2 as well as CO. But if you see the equation, ROR is equal to K NO2 whole square CO whole power 0. Anything to the power 0, it is 1, right? So, rate of the reaction is not at all depending upon this one. It is depending only upon this. And that too here it is 1, it is 2. This is calculated experimentally. Okay. So, in rate of the reaction, there is no necessity that compulsory the reactant should be present. There may be absent of the reactant. There may be present of the product also. See, in conditions, in some rate law equation, concentration terms of catalyst also may be present. Okay. Remember this, in writing the rate law equation, rate of the reaction depends upon the concentration of the reactant. In concentration, rate of the reaction depends upon the concentration of the product. Rate of the reaction, it also depends upon the catalyst. See, here O2 is present as well as SO2 is present. SO2 is absent in this condition. But NO is a catalyst. Catalyst is also present in this rate of reaction. So, in some rate of the reaction depends upon the catalyst of the reaction. Getting the students? It depends upon the catalyst also. But it doesn't depend upon the intermediate. Rate of reaction may depend upon the reactants. It may not depend upon the reactants. It may depend on the products. It may not depend upon the products. It may depend upon the catalyst. It may not depend upon the catalyst. Okay. But it does not depend upon the intermediate. At any time, it will not depend upon the intermediate. You remember that. But rate of the reaction may depend on the catalyst, may depend upon the reactant, may depend upon the product, but it never depends upon the intermediate, whatever that has been formed during the course of formation of the reaction. Right. And writing the simple or elementary steps means these reactions are very simple. These will not take complex steps. Like in first year you have learned Hess law in thermodynamics. Okay. Whether the amount of energy liberated in a single step or in a multiple steps is same. Okay. The product formation is same. Right. If you go for the simple or elementary steps, means the reaction which occurs in the single step, not in the multiple step. So if this is the reaction, if this is a single step reaction, 2x plus 3y gives rise to 4z. In this reaction, if this is a single step, he has mentioned single step means, then rate of the reaction you can write directly, k is equal to x whole power 2 y whole power 3. Because this is not a complex reaction. Till now whatever we have discussed, those are all the complex reactions. Suppose if I write H2 plus I2, if it is, I have mentioned a simple step. So you can write ROR is equal to K into H2 whole power 1, I2 whole power 1. If I take H2 plus Cl2, okay, H2 plus Cl2 if I mention, what happens? H2 plus Cl2, it forms 2HCl. It is not a single step reaction because in the first year already you have learned it depends upon the light, photochemical reaction, formation of HCl. Okay, ROR you can't write in this pattern because this is not a single step. It is a photochemical reaction or photosensitive reaction. It takes multiple steps. So generally the equation is ROR K into H2 whole power 0 Cl2 whole power 0. This is the correct equation. Means the rate of the reaction does not depend upon the concentration of the reactants. Okay. See what is meant by the complex reaction. These are the simple step reactions. Okay. This is not. Means complex reaction means see 3A plus 2B this is forming C. It is a complex reaction. I have already mentioned. Means in the first step it is forming 2A. Means 2 times of A and 1 B it is taking and forming some product P. And this product again it has with the remaining A it is mixed and formed Q. This Q, it is taking one more B reactant and it is forming C. See, if you sum up all these things, PP is cancelled, QQ is cancelled. So if you sum up 2A plus A, this is 3A, B plus B, 2B, and you are left out with PP cancelled, QQ cancelled. So you are left with C. And this step is called as slowest step. This is slowest step. In this step, how many particles are depending, that you will be getting the order of the reaction. Okay, and this step is called as RDS step, means rate determining step. Getting this? 2A plus B, RDS. RDS means among, this is first step, second step, third step. In the 3 steps, the first step is the slowest step. Means, let me take this is occurring in 20 minutes. Okay, this is occurring in 2 minutes and this is occurring in 1 minute. So which is the slowest step? This is the slowest step. In the complex reaction, the step which occurs very slowly, that step is called as rate determining step, and that is also called as slowest step. Okay, based on that step only the rate of the reaction is determined. Clear? Means how means this? Simple. You are having 11 friends and tomorrow morning you are going to play cricket. See, out of them 10 are very active. By sharp 9 o'clock, we have decided by 9 o'clock you should be in the ground. See, 10 members have got ready and they have come to ground, but one person have not come to the ground. He is still getting ready. He is very lazy. So how much faster the match should start? It depends upon the slowest person in that group. Getting this? If one person is very slow, or 2 persons are very slow, you can't start the match because there will be some deficiency in starting the match. Okay, that player should be compensated, right? So that in that the person who is very late, on that person only the speed, how much faster you should start the match. Means you should not eliminate him. You should have that person and you should make that person very fast. How much fast you are going to start the match means it depends upon the person who is lazy, who is getting home, who is lazy, who is getting faster ready. Okay, so in this way, in the formation of the product, this step is very slower. Immediately formation, these two will be very fast, and this one is slow. Means how much faster the reaction occurs. It depends upon this slowest one. Clear? Right, students? Now we are going to take some problems with respect to this one. 2a plus b. It forms product. See, these are all the same things whatever you had done in the previous lecture. Rate you can write it as k a power x b power y. So I am taking some reaction 3a plus 2b. It is forming product. Initial concentration of A I am mentioning in moles per liter 0.1, 0.1, 0.2. Initial concentration of B 0.1, 0.2, 0.1. Initial rate of the reaction. So when the concentration of A is 0.1, concentration of B is 0.1, initial rate of the reaction is 2 into 10 power minus 3. In the same way, if it is 0.1, B is 0.2, the rate of the reaction is 1 into 10 power minus 3. If the concentration of A is 0.2, B is 0.1, and the initial rate of the concentration will be 4 into 10 power minus 3. And based on this, he is asking, calculate the rate law and the order of the reaction and rate constant. See, this is very simple, whatever you have done in the previous video. So R is equal to K into A power X, B power Y. This is the thing. So R, he has mentioned for the first equation, 2 into 10 power minus 3 is equal to K. What is the concentration of A? 0.1 whole power X. B is 0.1 whole power Y. For second equation, rate is 1 into 10 power minus 3 is equal to K into A is 0.1 whole power X. B is equal to 0.2 into whole power Y. And R is 1 into 10 power minus 3. For third equation, 4 into 10 power minus 3 is equal to K into A is 0.2 whole power X. B is 0.1 whole power Y. Okay. You take first and second reaction. 1 divided by 2. So this one reaction divided by 2. So which is common here? A is cancelled. A will be cancelled. So that 0.1 by 0.2. You will be getting 1 by 2 whole power Y. This one 2 by 1. 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 3 will be cancelled. So you will be getting 2. So 1 by 2 whole power Y will be equal to 2 if you get this one top. So you will be getting 2 power minus 1. So Y will be equal to minus 1. Take the equation like 3 by 1. So this is the third equation. And this is the first equation. 10 power minus 3, 10 by 3 minus 3 will be cancelled. 4 by 2 will be getting. So this is, you will be getting y will be cancelled. 0.1 whole power y, 0.1 whole power y will be cancelled. So while taking any two equations, one component among either concentration of B or concentration of C should be cancelled. So when you take third and first, the Y concentration term, that is B concentration term, will be cancelled. And A you will be finding out like X. So X value will be getting it as 1. Putting the values of X, Y in the equation 1. So you know this is the equation 1 and you will be calculating. So 2 into 10 power minus 3 is equal to K into 0.1 whole power 1. B concentration is 0.1 into whole power minus 1. So K value you are getting as 2 into 10 power minus 3. So what is the order of the reaction? X plus Y. You are having two terms, right? X plus Y, 1 plus minus 1 will be equal to 0. And rate of the reaction is K. K value is 2 into 10 power minus 3 and A power 1, B power minus 1. See students, I hope that you have followed this question. In the same way, you are having some more problems. Okay, take this question. 2a plus b gives rise to product. Initial concentration of A, B, C. 0.2, 0.2, 0.4, 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, 1 into 10 power minus 3, 4 into 10 power minus 3, 0.25 into 10 power minus 3. The question is find the rate, order and rate constant of the reaction. Pause the video students. Try to solve the question. 1, 2, 3. So I am going to explain this. So rate is 1 into 10 power minus 3, 0.2 whole power x, 0.1 whole power y. Second equation, 4 into 10 power minus 3, 0.2 whole power x, 0.2 whole power y. Third equation, 0.25 into 10 power minus 3, 0.4 whole power x, 0.2 whole power y. So these are the three equations. If you calculate 1 by 2, means first equation divided by second equation, you will be getting y is equal to 2. Second equation divided by third equation, you will be getting x is equal to something like minus 4. This is the equation how I have solved this. And order of the reaction will be equal to 2 plus minus 4, it is equal to minus 2. And taking the second equation, why I have taken second equation here? Because you are having the concentration of A and B are same. If it is different, you can calculate any equation, you will be getting the same value. But the second equation, the concentration of A as well as the concentration of B is same. So A have taken minus 4, B have taken something like 2. So if you sum up, you will be getting this value, and K value will be getting 16 into 10 power minus 5 or 1.6 into 10 power minus 4 moles per liter whole power cube S power minus 3. So based on the equation, you can find out the value of the K. Okay, right? And R is equal to, K value is 1.6 into 10 power minus 4, A power minus 4, B power 2. This is the thing what you have done. Take this one more question. You are having something like 3 more questions. Right? Concentration of A is 0.1, 0.2, 0.1, B is 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, and the initial rate is 0.05, 0.1, 0.05. This is the question that has appeared in IIT 2004. Write the rate equation and the rate constant. Pass the video, students. Try to solve the question. 1, 2, 3. I hope that you have got the answer. This is the pattern of doing the answer. The order of x will be equal to 1, y is equal to 0, k is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 1. By substituting in the equation 2, you will be getting r is equal to 0.5 into a power 1, b power 0. Take one more question. 2a plus b gives rise to c plus d. This is the equation what he has mentioned. Initial concentration of A 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, B is 0.1, 0.2, 0.1. Rate of formation of C 1.2 into 10 power minus 3, 1.2 into 10 power minus 3, 2.4 into 10 power minus 3. Option A, this one. Option B, this is the thing. Option C, option D. This is the question that has appeared in Mains 2014 IIT. Okay, pass the video. Try to solve the question. See, maximum all the questions I am making you to solve in the videos itself, so that you should not afraid of seeing the questions in the physical chemistry or whatever that you are having in your books. Okay, students, I hope that you have done the answer. If you don't get, once you go through this solution, or you can write it as 1 by 2 dEA by dt, B you can write it as minus 1 by 1 dB by dt, C you can write it as 1 by 1 dC by dt, and plus d by 1 dt by dt. So from first option you can write this one, second option this, third option. So if you do 1 by 2, you will be getting 1 is equal to 1 by 2 whole power y, 1 by 3, you will be getting this one. So k is equal to r into k power 1, b power 0, and k will be equal to this one. And you know that rate is also equal to by dC by dt. Okay, dC by dt. So rate I am writing it as dC by dt here. It is equal to k into a power 1. So this is the pattern of doing. And the last question for this session. From the next class, we will be starting the order of the reaction. Either it is zero order, first order, or second order. We will be going for the rate integrated loss also. So last question for M, reactant getting converted to product En. The rate of disappearance of M increases by a factor of 8 upon doubling the concentration of M. If you double the M, the rate becomes 8 times. Simple. Already you have done this type of model. The order of the reaction with respect to M, because all you are having only one concentration in the reactant side. Whatever will be the order, that will be the order of the reaction, or it may be the order with respect to concentration, that is M reactant. So this is the question that has appeared in IIT Advanced 2014. So students, I hope that you can do this well. Pass the video. Try to solve it fastly. 1, 2, 3. Check over the answer. Order of the reaction is 3. R is equal to K into K power M. You can write this one. If initial concentration is X, what happens? Okay, if M is doubled, I am taking the rate. Okay, if M is doubled, initial concentration is this one. Concentration is 2x. What has happened to the rate? Initial it is y, means it has become 8 times. See, you can take in terms of values, or you can take in terms of x. So initial concentration x I am taking, on doubling the concentration of x. 2 times I have made it. What happened to the rate? Initially if initially I take the rate of reaction is y, on doubling the concentration of the reactant, what it has become? It becomes 8 times. So if I divide, x by 2x will be equal to y by 8y. So 1 by 2 will be equal to 1 by 8. So you can write this. 1 by 2 will be equal to 1 by 2 power 3. So x will be equal to 3. So R is equal to K into M power 3. The order of the reaction is B. So students, prepare well for the exam. All the best. I hope that you are following the videos very well. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye 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 bye.